Marital and partnership relationships. 1. Spouse, the person you marry. Male spouse, husband. Female spouse, wife. 2. In-laws, relatives through marriage. Spouse's parents, mother-in-law, father-in-law. Spouse's siblings, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Spouse's grandparents, grandparents-in-law. Spouse's cousins, cousins-in-law. 3. Children, your child's child, grandchild. Your child's spouse, son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Spouse's child from another relationship, stepchild. Your stepchild's child, step-grandchild. 4. Ex-relations, former spouse, ex-husband, ex-wife. Spouse's former partner, ex-partner-in-law. Spouse's ex's child, ex-stepchild. Spouse's ex's parents, ex-parents-in-law. 5. Extended family. Spouse's uncle's aunts, uncle-in-law, aunt-in-law. Spouse's nieces, nephews, niece-in-law, nephew-in-law. Spouse's great-grandparents, great-grandparents-in-law. Spouse's great-grandchildren, great-grandchildren-in-law. 6. Others. Partner in a relationship but not married, partner. Person who performs a marriage ceremony, officiant. 7. Siblings and their spouses. Your spouse's sibling, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Your sibling's spouse, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. 8. Cousins and their families. Your spouse's cousin, cousin-in-law. Spouse's cousin's spouse, cousin-in-law. Spouse's cousin's children, cousins-in-law. 9. Grandchildren and their partners. Your child's child's spouse, grandchild-in-law. Your spouse's grandchild, grandchild-in-law. 10. Step and great relations. Spouse's great-aunt-uncle, great-aunt-in-law, great-uncle-in-law. Spouse's great-grandparents, great-grandparents-in-law. Spouse's great-grandchildren, great-grandchildren-in-law. Partner's step-sibling, step-sibling-in-law. 11. Miscellaneous, the person you are engaged to, fiancé male, fiancée female. The spouse of your child's spouse's parent, part of your in-law family.